Hello, welcome back to Glurn News. We start with the artificial bird nest in the ocean. Danish wind farm company Arrested has built 3 massive artificial bird nests off the coast of the United Kingdom with contractor Red 7 Marine. The structures are intended to help support the populations of kittiwake, a seabird species that may be impacted by the company's nearby wind farm. What are artificial bird nests? Arrested's nests were built approximately 0.6 miles, 1 kilometer, off the shore of Suffolk on Great Britain's eastern coast. Each one is an octagonal structure designed to house about 500 individual nests raised above sea level on a large pole, according to Electric. The interior of the building features a whiteboard, chairs, and tables for researchers to record information about their studies of the birds. Sliding perspex panels let the researchers observe the nests without being seen by their occupants, according to Electric. Why are artificial bird nests important? Arrested's massive Hornsea 3 project, which is expected to be completed by 2025, will have the capacity to power more than 3 million households, according to Electric. As green energy projects break ground around the world, it's important that they do so in ways that are minimally damaging to local ecosystems. A 2013 study found that between 140,000 and 328,000 birds are killed by wind turbines every year in the United States. Human-made structures in general cause as many as 1 billion bird deaths per year, according to the United States Forest Service, but that doesn't mean the turbine casualties aren't significant. Any way that institutions and organizations can mitigate their impacts on local ecosystems is a positive step, and Arrested was required to build structures that would help the local bird populations in order to have the Hornsea 3 project approved, according to Electric. Kittiwake are listed as at risk from extinction, and with climate change as a key driver to their decline, a move towards a green energy system could help considerably in the long-term conservation of the species, said Eleni Antonia, Arrested's environmental manager. In the meantime, the provision of these structures will provide a safe, nesting space to enable future generations to raise young away from predators and out-of-town centers, she concluded. Next news: dreaming of hitting the open road in your RV, but you are worried about the cost of fuel to power the RV's functions on arrival. You also might have heard that you could run your RV's functions entirely on solar panels, but you are unsure if it's possible. Luckily, thanks to constant innovation in the solar tech space, it is possible to run your RV accessories on solar panels, and it's becoming more and more popular. Here's what you need to know about powering your RV with solar. What are the benefits of installing solar on your RV? Solar panels can be an excellent way to power your RV's appliances. Solar panels can generate enough power to run your RV's lights, refrigerator, and other electronics. Perhaps the main benefit of putting solar panels on your RV is to gain freedom from the grid. Firing up all your appliances anywhere you go can make your road trip memorable. It's also nice to not have to worry about running out of fuel or stopping to refuel as frequently. Are there any solar-powered RVs? Yes, there are solar-powered RVs available on the market. RV manufacturers now offer RVs with solar power, and aftermarket solar kits are also available that you can install on your existing RV. The RV manufacturer Bolus recently announced the production of the world's first production all-electric RV, the Bolus Volterra Travel Trailer, which can allow travelers freedom from the grid upon arrival at a destination. Due to its addition of 480 watts of solar power, you can charge your RV while you camp, hike, or drive. While this might be the only widely available all-electric RV trailer, other brands offer models with solar panel attachments. The Coachman Apex Ultralight, Nano, and Remote Travel Trailers, for example, provide solar attachments for their roofs with 200 watts of power, according to the brochure, that'll allow you to charge your appliances without needing the grid. The tech company Anker has recently released its line of solar panels designed perfectly for use with RVs. The foldable and waterproof Anker 531 solar panels, each providing 200 watts, can be hooked up 5 at a time to an Anker Powerhouse 767 and were created to allow you to light, heat, and power functions easily. More than 11 million households across the US have RVs, and solar panels are getting cheaper. It'll soon be incredibly easy and affordable to power your trip with clean, abundant solar energy.